going to be reviewing this countertop ice maker that I got. Really great product. It's perfect if you don't have a fridge that makes ice. This is great. It's also great for parties. You can put outside, and it's constantly making ice, which is awesome, and it's quick and very portable, so you can take it anywhere you go. Super easy to use. You just plug it in and you fill the water to the max right here, and then you press on and it'll start making ice. It takes about 6 to 8 minutes per cycle, and it gives you 9 little cubes of ice with the holes in them. So really great, simple. Once the ice comes out, it comes into this tray. You can easily take this out if you want, or it does come with a scoop for you to scoop out the ice. But it's really great, very silent, and it works amazing. I love it. This is great. I can, you know, when I have parties and stuff, I constantly have fresh ice making all the time. So really awesome. I highly recommend it. It's a great product and it works amazing. So I hope you enjoy. Bye.